220 species in genus Echinops. Echinops, my prickly passion. I've always been drawn to the unusual, the plants that buck the trend. Give me spiky over soft, architectural over rambling, and blue over, well, almost anything. That's why I, Ferb Vu, find myself utterly captivated by Echinops. The globe thistles belong to the Asteraceae family. These aren't your typical fuzzy, friendly flowers. No, these are steely, striking, and a bit prickly, with a defiant beauty that demands attention. Imagine a perfect sphere composed of hundreds of tiny florets, each with its own needle-sharp point. It's a botanical pincushion, a tiny world of texture and intricate detail. And when those globes are the color of a summer sky, well, that's when the magic really happens. A world of blue. The most common color you'll find in the Echinops genus is that incredible blue. It's not a soft, pastel blue, mind you. This is a bold, saturated hue that vibrates in the sunlight. It's the kind of blue that draws your eye from across the garden, a beacon in a sea of green. But the genus isn't limited to just one shade. There's Echinops retro, the classic globe thistle, with its intense, almost electric blue flowers. Then there's Echinops spherocephalus, which offers a more muted, silvery blue, and Echinops banaticus, taplo blue, with its large, deep blue globes on tall stems. And for those who prefer a touch of the unexpected, there's Echinops exaltatus, Arctic glow, boasting white flowers that fade to a soft, icy blue. More than just a pretty face. While I adore their aesthetics, my fascination with Echinops goes beyond mere looks. These plants are tough. They thrive in conditions that would make other plants wilt: poor soil, scorching sun, and even drought. They're survivors, a testament to the resilience of nature. And they're not just tough, they're also incredibly beneficial to the ecosystem. Their nectar-rich flowers are a magnet for pollinators, attracting bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects to the garden. They're a vital food source, supporting a whole web of life. A diverse family. The Echinops genus is surprisingly diverse, with over 200 recognized species. See full list at monsteraholic.com. A place in every garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, there's an Echinops for you. These versatile plants can be used in a variety of ways, from adding a touch of drama to a border to creating a striking focal point in a gravel garden. They're also excellent for cutting, their unique form adding interest to fresh or dried arrangements. For me, Echinops represents the perfect blend of beauty and resilience. They're a reminder that strength and beauty can coexist, and that even the prickliest characters can have a soft side. So, if you're looking for a plant that's a little bit different, a little bit wild, and a whole lot beautiful, I urge you to give Echinops a try. You won't be disappointed.